These reforms have resulted in pension fund assets growing to over 100 billion Ghana cedis today, desperately looking for investable assets in Ghana's real sector. Meanwhile, government and businesses are looking for patient long-term capital. The Ghana Stock Exchange is ready to facilitate this connection. We therefore call for 4 things. 1, Cabinet's speedy approval for viable state-owned enterprises to use GIFM and other GSE platforms to raise capital and for improved corporate governance. 2, the promotion of bond-backed public-private partnerships for infrastructure financing and the issuance of municipal bonds. 3, incentives for multinationals to localize their ownership using the Ghana Stock Exchange. And Governor, thank you for the new one we've started working on. And 4, and here I talk for the whole industry, a review of capital gains tax on listed securities. And we want it back to zero. Honorable Deputy Minister of Finance.